move forward. No problem. Get up. Zara, not from back. See the ball. Come on, Ridhan. Try to win the ball. Jack, it's you. Good. Zara, come for the ball. It's okay. Mark your man behind. Behind. There. Jack, good. Mark your man, huh? Let him go, Ridhan. Yup, take it, Zara. Take the ball. Don't slide. You can get the ball. Go, dribble up. Shoot now. It's your ball. Ask for the ball. Go out. Show the option. Zara. Yes. Jack. Yes, good pass. Go, Zara. Go for the ball. Yes, Ridhan. Okay, ball back. Don't let them go. Kiran, come up. No problem. It's okay. Good one, Samar. Good one. No problem. Come on, play. Jack, Zara, go. Zara, go for the ball. Jack, support. It's their ball. Okay, mark your man. Zara, see the man left side. Yes, come for the ball. Good one, Zara. Come on again. Yes, Zara. Good one. Dribble up. Yes, good one. Play on. Come for the ball, Jack. Good one, Kiran. Come on. Come for the ball. Seal on. Yes, Jack. Come up. Run up. Good one, Jack. Again. It's your ball. Zara, can you take? Jack. Okay, take. Ridhan, go up. Ridhan, move up. Ridhan, Jack. Jack, go for the ball. Ridhan, go for the ball. No back pass. It's okay. Goal kick. Keep the ball in line here. Move up, Ridhan, move up. Jack will take a shot. Jack, you take a shot. Take a long shot. Jack, you take a long shot. You will take. Kiran, leave. Kiran, stay back, hold on. Take a long shot, okay? Good. Take a shot. Come on. It's okay. You need to identify, okay? When Jack takes a shot, you need to stay for the free space. Be ready for the ball. Be ready for the ball, sir. Okay?
Video, right?
One of you step back for the defender.
Uploaded on the KSF YouTube channel. Oh, that's perfect.
Yes, Ridhan, stay up. Come for the ball, Ridhan. Come on, you can win it. Zara, support. Good one, Zara. Again. Good. Come on, try to win it. Follow it. Ridhan. Go. Zara. Good one, Zara is there. No problem. Good one. He's there. Father. Zara. Show the option. Hey, lucky. Jack. You need to be there. Be here in center. Be here in center. Jack. Again. Jack. You need to ask for the ball, okay? Be here for the support. Block the ball. Come on. It's okay. Jack will take. Jack, go for the ball. Ridhan. Move up. Zara. Good pass. Come on. Go for the ball. Carry the ball. Jack, wait. Come for the ball now. Run faster. Let it go. Yes, Zara, take it. Ridhan. Here, Ridhan. Come for the ball. Don't let it go. Good one. Come on, Jack, take the ball. Aye, no problem, no problem. Go for the ball, Jack. Jack, go for the ball. He will take. Zara, show the option. Ridhan, you can go a little bit close. You can't take that much high. Take it high. Go for the ball, go for the ball, go for the ball. Yes, Ridhan, good one. Again. Still on. Yes, move. Follow it. Good one. Dribble up, shot. Oh! No problem. Ryan. Don't wait. Playing good. Yes, out ball. Goal kick. Ryan. Goal kick. Come back. Ridhan, last man. You know the lead. Try to win it. Go. It's okay. No problem. It's okay. Center shot. It's okay, Kiran. Can you come little bit forward? Stay a little bit forward. Shoot inside. Shoot. Good one. Come up. Ridhan, take it. Dribble in. Support. Zara, support. Yes, dribble up. Dribble in. Aye. No problem. It's our ball. Ridhan. Yes, sir. Come on, try to win the ball. Good one, Ridhan. Come on again. Shoot. Again, win the ball. Don't let him go. Good one, get and kick. Go for the ball there. Center shot. Hey, Lucky. Don't stand simply inside the D. Yes, dribble up. Zara support. Don't let him shoot. Can come up. It's okay. Congrats. Goal kick. Ridhan up. Up. Take it. It's okay. No problem. Come up. Mark your man. Zara, come back.
Lucky.
Anand.
Don't leave it.
Ridhan, stay in the center. Follow it.
Balu, go.
Take it, Jack. Don't leave him. Good. Nice one. Goal kick.
Up.
Come here. Keep the ball in line. Jack will take. Ridhan, come up. Same ball, okay, Zaran, come up. Come on. Again. Jack, try to hit hard. Ridhan.
Kick fast.
Inside. Come on, go for the ball. Be ready for the ball, okay?
Go for the ball when they come that side, okay? Don't leave him.
Fall back. Watch your man. Jack, Go. Push up. Jack, come. Yes, Ridhan, come on, dribble it. Now shoot. Come on, get up. Zaran is there. No problem, it's yours.
Lucky, ನೋಡು ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲಿ.
Ready, Ridhan, okay?
ಬಾ ಬಿಟ್ ಬಾ
Go for the ball. Go for the ball. Ball back. Tackle the ball. Tackle the ball. Tackle the ball.
ಅವನೇ ಹೊಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
Come on.
Jake, harder.
Check. Can you switch with the Kaden? Yeah, switch with Kaden. Kaden, come up now.
ಡೋಂಟ್ ರನ್ ದಿ
Come up to play as attacker, okay? Not up. Play here. Play there. Play defenders, okay? Play backside.
Run.
Very good.
Take
Come for the ball, Kaden. Good one, again. Come for the ball, he will stop. Come for this ball, yes, Kaden, come on, Kaden, play. Get it, Zara.
Come on, Zara.
Come for this ball. Come. Okay, get up. Jack, be ready, Jack, come. Good one, Jack, again. Good one, nice one. Very good. Come on, Ridhan, don't leave them. Yes, good one, Ridhan. Come on, come for the ball. Good one. Get up.
And
Yeah, it's okay. Come. Half time. Ridhan. Go.
Study the ball. Very good.
Come on, Jack. Go. It's okay. No back pass. Okay.
Go, take the ball, Abhik. Go for the ball. Block it.
Zara.
Kiran,
Go for the ball.
Go. Very good.
Nice one, Ridhan. Come on, get up. Don't leave.
Anand, shoot.
Go for the ball.
Goal.
Anand. See, don't wait for the ball, okay? Don't wait for the ball. Ridhan, don't wait for the ball. You have to go for the ball, okay? Jack will kick. Zara, go up. Kiran, go up. Take your position.
Take. Very good, Abhik. Go for the ball.
Cover and go. It's your ball. Ridhan. Take a shot. Zara. Show the option that side.
Defend the ball, Abhik.
Come for the ball, Zara. Come on, get up. Ryan, dribble. Come on, Ridhan, free space. Let's go.
Go, Abhik. Wada.
Come on, you can dribble from this side. Yes, Zara, turn. Ryan, you play your position. Don't go inside. Zara. You go. Leave the ball for Ridhan. Ridhan will take. You go there to score a goal. Kiran, you also need to come this side more. Okay? Yes, stay there only. Again.
Wada, Abhik. Come on, Abhik.
Jack. Good one, Jack. You can come little bit up.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
They will take a shot. Play. Face the ball. Come on, again. Come for the ball. Good one. Come up.
Abhik, go. Walk, Abhik, shoot.
Come on, take the ball, Ridhan. Good one. Ridhan. You go up now. Let Zara take a shot.
Walk, Abhik. Come on, Abhik.
Again, what are you doing? Don't let them shoot. Come for the ball. Go for the ball.
ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಡ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೊಡಿ.
It's okay. Let him take a shot.
No, ball, no, Abhik. Focus on the ball. Keep the ball here.
go.
Shoot. Go, Advik, go, come on.
Good one, Ridhan. Ridhan, can you pass them now? Can you pass to the goal post? It's okay. It's their kick. Come back. Jack, little bit up. More up. Yes.
Advik.
Don't go back, okay?
Advik, come on.
Yes, Jack, good.
Partner.
Jack, don't stay in the
Advik.
goal post. Little bit up. Now cover your first side. First side. Cover that side.
Advik,
Yes.
Advik, Advik, come here. Advik.
Ridhan. See the bench, okay? Pass the ball also. Scan, 1 minute behind you. Yes, go for the ball. Good one,
Advik, take it. Come on, shoot. Yeah, good one. Excellent. Good one.
Advik. Center start.
Good one, excellent. Advik, give me a hand. Excellent. Okay, very good. No, well done.
Advik. Oh, get it. Shoot again. Jack, come back. Get it, go quick. Take it. Stop the ball, yes. Ridhan, can you pass Zarat? Throw the option. No back pass. Take the ball, get it. Don't wait. No, he can't take. Ridhan, he can't take. He can't take in the hand. No, he can't take in the hand. It's not a goalkeeper. He's a defender, okay? Don't give him back pass. It's your ball. Jack will take. Zarat.
Go guys, defend it. Go to the goal.
This side, Jack.
Ethan, cover the man. Cover.
Come on, Zarat, go for the ball. Go.
What? Advik.
Ethan, don't keep. 1 minute. Zarat. Everybody in speed up. Mark. Get the ball. Ball can heal go. Kick. Yes, good track.
Take it.
Go. Come on, Zarat. It's okay. Mark your man. Going. Zarat. Center. Straight to the ball.
Jatin.
No, he's there. Stand the center, I'm telling you. Yes, go for the ball.
Jatin, go.
Yes, let him go back. Take it. No problem. Come on. Focus. Watch your man, Jack. That's right. See this man. Get it. You can come a little bit up. See this man. Get it. Come up. Ethan, don't go off. It's okay. No problem. It's their kick. Focus that side. Jack, focus that side. One of you come here. Goal kick. Jack, from the line. Jack, keep the ball in line. Ridhan, move up. Hey, good one, Ridhan. Come on, Ridhan. It's okay. Mark your man. Jack, stay there only, okay?
Ground ball.
Stay there only. Now go for the ball. Yes, Ridhan, come on. Ready with it. Zarat, support him, Zarat. Go up. Nice one, good one, Ridhan. Nice one. Good one.
Get it. Focus. Ethan, ask for the ball. Ask for the ball.
Is their ball, is their ball, is their ball. Is their ball. Come on, get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. A little bit up, okay? A little bit up. You can have. Now go. Press them. Press it.
Take the ball.
Press it.
Go, Jitin, let them go.
Come for the ball, come for the ball.
No.
All right, their ball.
Come quick here. Jitin, come inside. Jitin, not ours. Jitin, not ours.
Yes, Saran, go, Saran, come on.
Come on, take the ball, Salman. Support back.
Come. Go and ask for the ball. Go.
Take the ball, Salman.
It's okay. Mark your man. Mark your man, Jack. Jack, drop back.
Ask for ball, Samar. Ask for ball.
He ready for this man. Yes, take it. Yes, good one. Again. Oh. Let the ball go. Good one. Okay.
Ethan, block. Ethan, block. Mark.
Ethan, come back. Ethan, come back.
Jack, come back. Come quick. Saran. Not there. Yes. Jack.
Ethan, mark it.
Good one. Nice kick. Good one, Saran. Come on, go up. It's there only. Still there.
Go for it.
Run from inside. Jack from here. Stop it. Good one, Jack. Nice one. Go. Left to. Kiran. Face this side. Okay. Face this side. Full power.
Ethan, mark it.
Direct ball, full power.
Yes, be ready now.
Yeah.
It's okay. On the chest. Come cover the first post.
Goal kick.
Cover the first post.
Corner.
Yes, stand there.
Corner.
Okay, be ready. Yes, Jack.
Samar, goal throw.
Front side. Cover it. Come for the ball, Jack.
Nice try.
Take it quick.
Ethan.
Ethan, come back. Ethan, come back. Mark it.
Saran. Jack. Good one. Come on, Ethan. Wait, Jack. Now come for the ball. Yes, good. Dribble up. Yes, go again. Again, Jack. Nice one, Jack.
Direct goal.
Power. Full power. Stay there only. Cover this angle.
Get inside.
Yes. Be ready, huh? Kick out. Get it.
What a goal.
No problem. It's not a goal. It's not a goal.
Touch ಮಾಡಿದ ಟಚ್ ನನಗೆ
Goal, ra.
ಟಚ್
Okay. Keep it center.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪೆನಾಲ್ಟಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳ್ಳ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಆಫ್ಸೆ ಅವನ ಕೈಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನ ಅಂತಿದ್ದ ನೀವು ಟೀಮ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ
Nidan.
ಸಮರ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್
Come here. Saran.
ಪ್ಲೇ ಅಪ್
Go. Press.
ಗೋ ಮಿಕೆಲ್
Alvin. Jack, clear it out this side. Again. Go with the shot. Good one, get it again. Come on again.
Hey.